Today's project, we're gonna do it with Gugon. Is this gonna work? I don't know. But first we gotta clear this out. That's what's done. Now, for the fun part. I got recommendations to use Gugon. Is it gonna work? I don't know, because in the back it doesn't say silicone. What it does say though is to not use on rubber. Is silicone not rubber? I guess we're gonna find out. All right, we're gonna throw this back. Okay, we're gonna spray this. Oh, we're gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna start scraping off and see if it works. It's been about 5 minutes. Let's see if this works. Okay, it's somewhat working. Some of it is coming off. That's good. That's good. That's good. You know what? Once again, work smarter, not harder. We're going to remove the backing. Scrape this way. So what this is telling me is that the Gugon needs more time. So we're going to take off a good layer. Yes! It fucking works. It worked. It worked. It worked. Thank you to those who recommended Gugon. A lot of you wanted me to do a new backing. I didn't want to do a new backing. Why? Because my mind is not there yet. I don't want to be that creative right now. What I do really like are the cups. There's something about that that makes my brain itch, and I like it. So I'm going to keep scraping away at this. I'll be right back. I feel like I got a lot off with just that first layer and that first round of the Gugon. So we're going to go in with a second layer. Just want to make sure that I get all this off first. It doesn't seem like I'm scratching it either with this. I'm just using a fish scraper. And we're going in with the second round. This time I'm going to give it a good drench. Let it sit for another 5 minutes. I do have the fans going off in here just to clear out some of the smell because it's a little bit danky, but not too bad. I'm going to close this though. I think that's what made it work better. So I'm going to also close the top lid. All right, about 5 minutes passed. Let's see where we're at. I really hope this is the last round. Ah, fuck. Oh, that hurt. Okay, just get in. We might have to do one more layer. It's working it side by side. That's really picking it up. All right, I'm going to keep scraping at this. I'll be back. All right, so the Gugon worked very well. It practically removed everything from the back. I should probably go wash this now. Let's see how clear it is. All right, this can use a good scrub, a good wash down, and then I think it'll be ready. All right, the tank is scrubbed, washed down, and for the most part, the Gugon worked 98%. There's still a little bit of silicone in the background. I'm not going to stress about that too much. I don't think I'm going to be able to really see it once the cups are attached to the background. So I think we're good. I could go in with maybe some acetone. Someone else suggested acetone. But like I said, I think we're good. I think we're good. From your view, it definitely looks clear, but it's not. So for part one, we are complete. Part two, we're going to add the cups to the background. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using. So I ordered these aquarium cups and they look like this. They are glass. And what I like to do is glue them in place so that way they don't fall off if the suction ends up losing its power over time, which has happened with the other one. So super cute. And it's going to look like this when it's fully attached. Now, these cups are a lot bigger than my other ones, but I think this is just going to be a different type of look. And we're just going to place them randomly in the tank. So come back for part two so you can see the next steps.